Imagine waking up in 2035. Your doctor is an AI. Your boss is an AI. Even your creative partner might not be human anymore. This isn't science fiction. It's a future many experts say is already unfolding. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than any technology in human history. And the question is no longer if AI will change our world, but how deeply it will transform what it means to work, create, and even think. Today, we explore how AI could replace humans by 2035 and what that really means for our future. Artificial intelligence is no longer an experimental technology hidden inside research labs. It has quietly become part of everyday life. Many people interact with AI dozens of times a day without even realizing it. From the moment you unlock your phone using facial recognition to the recommendations you see while scrolling social media, AI systems are constantly observing patterns, learning behaviors, and optimizing decisions. One of the reasons AI is advancing so quickly is its ability to process massive amounts of data. Humans learn through experience, often slowly and emotionally. AI, on the other hand, can analyze millions of examples in seconds. This difference in learning speed is what makes experts believe the next decade could bring the most dramatic transformation in human labor since the Industrial Revolution. Factories were once filled entirely with human workers performing repetitive tasks. Today, robotic systems already handle much of that workload. But modern AI-driven robots are no longer limited to simple mechanical actions. They can adapt, adjust, and even make independent decisions based on changing conditions. This flexibility is what brings AI closer to roles previously considered uniquely human. Office work is undergoing a similar shift. AI tools can now draft emails, write reports, generate presentations, analyze spreadsheets, and even participate in business strategy planning. While early automation replaced manual labor, current AI developments are beginning to replace cognitive labor, tasks involving reasoning, communication, and creativity. Many people assume creative professions are safe from automation, yet recent breakthroughs suggest otherwise. AI-generated art, music, video editing, and storytelling have improved dramatically in just a few years. These systems don't simply copy existing works. They recombine ideas in new ways, sometimes producing results that are surprisingly innovative. For businesses focused on speed and efficiency, this capability is extremely attractive. Another major area of transformation is transportation. Autonomous vehicle technology continues to evolve rapidly. Self-driving cars, trucks, delivery drones, and even autonomous ships are being tested worldwide. If these systems become reliable at scale, millions of driving-related jobs could change or disappear. However, new roles may emerge in monitoring, maintenance, and AI system supervision. Healthcare is another field where AI is making profound progress. Machine learning algorithms can already detect certain diseases earlier and more accurately than human specialists. Medical imaging analysis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations are increasingly assisted by AI. Rather than replacing doctors entirely, this shift may redefine their role toward patient communication, ethics, and complex decision-making.
Education is also being transformed. AI tutors can adapt instantly to individual learning styles, providing personalized explanations, feedback, and pacing. This could democratize access to high-quality education globally. However, it also raises questions about human mentorship, emotional development, and the social aspects of learning. One of the most debated issues is whether AI will cause massive unemployment or simply reshape the job market. Historically, technological revolutions eliminated certain professions but created entirely new ones. The difference today is the speed of change. Entire industries could transform within a decade, leaving little time for workers to retrain or adapt. Economic experts discuss concepts like universal basic income, shorter workweeks, and hybrid human-AI collaboration models as possible responses. These ideas are no longer theoretical debates. They are being tested in pilot programs across several countries. The goal is to ensure economic stability while allowing technological progress to continue. Beyond economics, there are psychological implications. Work provides more than income. It offers identity, social structure, daily routine, and a sense of contribution. If AI assumes more responsibilities, society may need to redefine how people find purpose and fulfillment. Creative expression, lifelong learning, and community engagement could become central aspects of human life. Trust is another major factor. People must trust AI systems to accept their decisions. Transparency, accountability, and ethical oversight are crucial. If individuals feel AI decisions are unfair, biased, or opaque, resistance to adoption could slow technological progress significantly. Security concerns also play a role. AI systems can be powerful tools for innovation, but they can also be misused. Cybersecurity threats, deepfake misinformation, automated hacking, and surveillance capabilities are ongoing challenges. Balancing innovation with safety will be one of the defining issues of the coming decades. Interestingly, as AI becomes more capable, certain human skills may increase in value rather than decrease. Emotional intelligence, empathy, ethical reasoning, creativity, and adaptability are difficult to replicate fully. The future workforce may emphasize uniquely human qualities while AI handles analytical or repetitive tasks. Another important aspect is collaboration. Instead of a competition between humans and machines, many experts envision a partnership. Humans provide intuition, ethical judgment, and contextual understanding, while AI provides speed, precision, and data processing capacity. Together, they may achieve outcomes neither could accomplish alone. Looking toward 2035, it's unlikely that AI will completely replace humans across all fields. However, significant transformation is almost certain. Entire industries will evolve, new professions will appear, and traditional definitions of work may shift dramatically. Ultimately, the story of AI replacing humans is not simply about technology. It is about adaptation, resilience, and how humanity chooses to shape its own future. The tools we create reflect our priorities, our fears, and our aspirations. Artificial intelligence may become one of the most powerful tools ever developed, but how we use it will determine whether it enhances human life or complicates it. The next decade will likely bring rapid innovation, unexpected challenges, and opportunities we cannot yet fully imagine. Preparing for that future requires awareness, flexibility, and thoughtful discussion about the kind of world we want to build alongside intelligent machines. And perhaps the most important question isn't whether AI will replace humans, but how humans will redefine themselves in an AI-driven world.